Hey there! Quick question. Did you know that Quora, the place where people debate whether pineapple belongs on pizza, it does, fight me, can actually make you money? Yes, you heard that right.
That Q&A hub isn't just for nerding out on random trivia. It's a hidden gem for earning cash online.
Today, I'm spilling the beans on how to make money with Quora, step by step.
And trust me, you don't need to be a rocket scientist or a keyboard warrior. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, because if you're not learning how to earn smartly, you're leaving money on the table.
And who does that? Not us!
1. Answer questions and earn traffic.
Let's kick things off with the simplest strategy. Answer questions that link back to your content. Here's how it works. You pick a topic you're passionate about, fitness, tech, or even cat memes, and provide genuinely helpful answers. But here's the trick. Include a subtle link to your blog, YouTube channel, or product page. Fun hook. Think of Quora as the friendly neighbor who lets you borrow sugar, but also lets you pitch your new cookbook while you're at it. Pro tip: don't spam. Quora rewards high-quality answers, not blatant ads. 2. Join the Quora Partner Program. Next up, Quora's Partner Program. This gem pays you to ask questions. Yes, you can get paid for being curious. Humor hook. So basically, you can ask, why do dogs tilt their heads? And potentially earn money while your dog judges you. Pro tip: focus on questions that spark debate or attract lots of views. Think, how will AI change the world? Not, what's my cat thinking right now? 3. Promote affiliate products. Affiliate marketing on Quora is a goldmine. Find questions related to your niche, write valuable answers, and recommend products with your affiliate links. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Fun hook. It's like being the friend who suggests the best gadget, but this time, you get paid for your genius recommendations. Pro tip: always disclose affiliate links. Transparency builds trust and keeps your account safe. 4. Use Quora ads for business growth. If you've got a product or service, Quora ads can help you reach your audience. The platform is perfect for targeting specific interests, from tech geeks to plant lovers. Humor hook. Quora ads are like posting a flyer in the exact coffee shop where your ideal customers hang out, but way cooler and less awkward. Pro tip: test your ads with small budgets to see what works before scaling up. 5. Build a personal brand. Answering questions consistently in your area of expertise helps you become a go-to authority. This can lead to consulting gigs, collaborations, or even book deals. Fun hook. Before you know it, people might start quoting you in their arguments because you're that cool now. Pro tip: add a killer bio with links to your socials or website. Let Quora do the networking for you. 6. Host webinars or courses. Use Quora to promote your webinars, online courses, or ebooks. By answering questions in your niche, you can guide readers to sign up for your premium content. Humor hook. Teach them something cool, like how to fold a fitted sheet, or something more practical, like digital marketing. Pro tip: focus on answering questions that align perfectly with your course topic to attract the right audience. 7. Drive traffic to freelance services. Are you a freelancer? Quora can be your secret weapon. Share your expertise and subtly link to your Fiverr, Upwork, or personal portfolio. Fun hook. Basically, you're the superhero solving people's problems. And superheroes deserve to get paid, right? Pro tip: be clear about how your services can help. For example, instead of saying, I'm a graphic designer, say, I help businesses create stunning logos that leave lasting impressions. And there you have it. 7 creative ways to make money with Quora. Whether you're answering questions, asking them, or promoting your hustle, Quora is like that secret menu item at your favorite cafe. Surprisingly profitable and totally worth exploring. Before you go, hit that subscribe button to keep learning how to earn smartly. If you don't, you might just miss the next money-making hack. Don't say I didn't warn you. Drop a comment below. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let's get that Quora cash flowing!